Have you ever wondered what it would be like to talk to animals? Picture it for a moment. A world where the intricate dance of honeybees becomes a dialogue, every whirl and twirl revealing a hidden message. Or where the haunting song of the whales is not just a melody, but a story told in the depths of the ocean. Animal communication is an enigma that has fascinated us for centuries. From the complex social structures of ants to the elaborate mating rituals of birds, animals exhibit an array of communication methods. These languages, however, remain largely indecipherable to us. We can observe, we can speculate, but true understanding eludes us. Our comprehension of animal languages is bound by our human-centric perspective. We see through a lens tinted by our own experiences, our own ways of communication. But what if we could transcend these limitations? Imagine if we could break these barriers and understand what animals are saying. Picture a world where we have developed the ability to communicate with animals. Now, let's dive into the story of Lucy, a young girl blessed with this extraordinary ability. Lucy, unlike the rest of us, enjoys a unique bond with animals, understanding their needs, their fears, and their joys. Every chirp, growl, or purr is a symphony of sentiments for her. Imagine Lucy's morning walks in the park, where she indulges in playful banter with squirrels, or her deep conversations with the old, wise owl perched on a branch outside her window every night. Imagine how she could reassure a frightened puppy during a thunderstorm, or help a lost baby bird find its way back to its nest. Through Lucy's experiences, we see how interspecies communication could revolutionize animal welfare, deepen our empathy towards different species, and strengthen the bond between humans and animals. Lucy's story offers a fascinating glimpse into the possibilities of a world where humans and animals converse freely. But what would this ability mean for our world? Imagine, if you will, the profound impacts of interspecies communication. Conservation efforts could be revolutionized. Imagine being able to ask the animals themselves about their needs and habitats, enabling us to protect and preserve them more effectively. This form of communication could also bring about a sea change in animal welfare. Empathy would no longer be a one-sided affair. We could understand their distress, their joy, every subtle emotion. We could provide them with a quality of life they truly desire. Furthermore, our comprehension of non-human intelligence and emotions would expand dramatically. We'd gain insights into their thought processes, their feelings, their social structures. We'd realize that they're not just instinct-driven beings, but sentient creatures with their own unique perspectives. The ethical, social, and ecological implications of such a world would be profound. It would transform our relationships with animals, fostering mutual respect and understanding. The ability to communicate with animals could fundamentally change our relationship with the animal kingdom and the world at large. The idea of talking to animals may seem far-fetched, but who knows what the future holds? As we stride into the future, ongoing research and technological advancements might just bridge the communication gap between species. It's a tantalizing prospect that challenges us to rethink our relationships with animals. So, let's step up to the plate, embrace empathy, and strive to understand the creatures we share our planet with. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video where we'll continue exploring fascinating possibilities.